We all know that movies are always being inspired from literature and other art forms. There are tremendous number of movies made in Hindi based on novels, plays, short stories, etc. But nowadays Bollywood has some latest trend of remaking older movies. Apart from remaking from other language movies, Bollywood started remaking some old super hit Hindi movies. Hello, this is Jubair. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to discuss with you some of those remake movies which have completely adopted old super Hindi movies. So, let's start the comparison of some of the top Bollywood remakes. Number 8. Umrao Jaan. The 1981 version of Umrao Jaan was a cult classic Hindi film which won 4 national awards and other popular awards. The movie was based on the popular Urdu novel Umrao Jaan Ada, which tells the story of a Lucknow courtesan and her rise to fame. The movie, directed by Muzaffar Ali, was a career-breaking film for Rekha, who won National Award for Best Actress for the eponymous character. The film was also popular for its music. The 10 songs in this movie, composed by Khayyam, made the movie a musical hit, and Khayyam won several awards, including National Award for this movie. In 2006, veteran director J.P. Dutta remade Umrao Jaan featuring Aishwarya Rai as Umrao Jaan, but the movie was the biggest flop of J.P. Dutta. This 2006 version of Umrao Jaan got negative reviews from critics and viewers. The film was just good for Aishwarya Rai's Ada as Umrao Jaan. The music, composed by Anu Malik, didn't make much impact as that of Khayyam. Number 7. Hero. Hero was first made in Hindi in 1983, featuring Jackie Shroff and Meenakshi Seshadri in lead roles. This Subhash Ghai movie gave stardom to Jackie Shroff. The film was a blockbuster at Indian box office. Hero ran for 750 days in many cities in India. The movie was also a big musical hit. Hero was remade in 2 South Indian languages in 80s itself, but a fresh remake is made in Hindi after 32 years. But this 2015 version of Hero didn't make much impact in box office. The film was produced by Salman Khan, and he introduced Suraj Pancholi and Atiya Shetty to Bollywood through this movie. This Nikhil Advani directorial movie didn't get good reviews both from critics and audience. One good thing in 2015 Hero is its music, composed by Arman Malik. Number 6. Ittifaq. Ittifaq is a remake of 1965 American movie Signpost to Murder. It was first made in Hindi in 1969 by veteran director Yash Chopra and produced by B.R. Chopra. This Rajesh Khanna starrer movie was one of the few songless movies made in Hindi. 1969 Ittifaq was a hit at the box office and gave Yash Chopra Filmfare Award for Best Director. This movie remade in 2017 by Abhay Chopra, featuring Siddharth Malhotra, Akshay Khanna and Sonakshi Sinha in lead roles. The 2017 version of this movie was also got good box office collection and positive reviews. The Rashomon effect storytelling of this film was widely appreciated. Number 5. Baul Bachchan. Baul Bachchan is the remake of 1979 superhit comedy film Golmaal, directed by Hrishikesh Mukherjee. The film won several awards and was praised by critics. It was the highest grossing Hindi film of 1979. This Amar Palekar starrer movie was remade in several Indian languages and was huge success all over. In 2012, Rohit Shetty remade the movie with the title Baul Bachchan. It had huge star cast of Ajay Devgan, Abhishek Bachchan, Asin, Prachi Desai, Krishna Abhishek, Neeraj Vora and Archana Puran Singh. Baul Bachchan became a critical and commercial success and won several popular awards. This Rohit Shetty version of Golmaal kept justice to the old version. Number 4. Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. One of the most popular movies of 90s, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun is an adaptation of Rajshri Productions' earlier film Nadia Ke Paar, released in 1982. The film was based on Keshav Prasad Mishra's Hindi novel Khabar Ki Shar. Nadia Ke Paar, directed by Govind Moniz, featured Sachin, Sadhana Singh, Inder Thakur in lead roles. The movie was made in Awadhi Hindi language and was a hit at the box office. But when Rajashri Production remade this movie after 12 years, it became a history. This Suraj R. Bajjate directorial movie was a turning point in Salman Khan's career. Salman Madhuri Pe was widely appreciated in this movie. Hum Aapke Hai Kaun won 5 Filmfare Awards including Best Film, Best Director, Best Actress, as well as winning the National Award for Best Popular Film, providing wholesome entertainment. Number 3. Agnipath. This crime drama film was first made in 1990 under the direction of Mukul Anand, featuring Amitabh Bachchan in lead role. Agnipath protagonist Vijay Dinanath Chauhan was one of the best characters done by Amitabh Bachchan. He received his first National Award for Best Actor for this movie. Agnipath has grown into a strong cult film over the years. It is considered a milestone in Bachchan's career and in the league of his all-time great movies. Agnipath was remade in 2012 with the same title by Karan Johar, son of old Agnipath's producer, as a tribute to his father. The 2012 version of Agnipath starred Hrithik Roshan, Sanjay Dutt and Priyanka Chopra in lead roles. In Hrithik Roshan's Agnipath, he is seen as Vijay Dinanath Chauhan battling against evil Kancha China, played by Sanjay Dutt. Reportedly, history was repeated as the remake also did excellently at the box office. The film got positive reviews from critics and won several popular awards. Number 2. Dawn. When the older version of Dawn released in 1978, it was the highest grossing Indian film of the year and was classified a Golden Jubilee by Box Office India. This crime action film was written by Salim Javed and directed by Chandra Bharat. Amitabh Bachchan played the dual role as Bombay Underworld boss Dawn and his lookalike Vijay in this super duper hit. In 2006, Shah Rukh Khan took on the role of the criminal mastermind and the Dawn again ruled the box office after 30 years. The movie also starred Priyanka Chopra, Arjun Rampal, Kareena Kapoor, Boman Irani, Isha Kopikar and Om Puri. The popularity of the remake encouraged the makers to again make its sequel in 2011. This 2011 film also received positive reviews from the audience and the critics as well. Number 1. Devdas. Devdas was first made in Tamil and Telugu in 1953, featuring Akkineni Nageshwara Rao as Devdas. The Hindi version of Sharashchandra Chattopadhyay's novel's adaptation was first made in 1955 by Bimal Roy. The film had Dilip Kumar in the title role, Suchitra Sen in her Bollywood debut as Parvati, and Vaijayanti Mala in her first dramatic role where she played Chandramukhi. Dilip Kumar won National Award for his outstanding performance as Devdas. The film is considered as evergreen classic of Hindi cinema. In 2002, Sanjay Leela Bhansali remade the movie and became the most expensive Bollywood film ever produced. This 2002 version, featuring Shah Rukh Khan as Devdas, Aishwarya Rai as Paro and Madhuri Dixit as Chandramukhi, was highly appreciated by Indian and Western film critics and is considered by many critics to be one of the greatest films ever made. It was nominated for the BAFTA Award for Best Foreign Language Film and was also India's submission for the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film. The film was screened at 2002 Cannes Film Festival. Devdas won the Filmfare Award for Best Film. The film also won 5 national awards and a further 11 Filmfare Awards. The movie was a blockbuster at the box office and was the highest grossing Bollywood film of 2002 worldwide. So guys, these were some of the top Bollywood remakes which are completely adopted old super Hindi movies. Now you can make your own comparison and you can make decision on whether old one is good or new one. Put your opinion in the comment box here. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel right now because there are a lot more similar videos lined up in my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, this is Jubair signing off. Bye.